Hey friends, welcome to Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare Vivo iQOO versus Asus ROG phone. Let's compare. First of all, we compare display. Vivo iQOO has 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and Asus ROG phone has 6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Let's talk about the rear camera. Vivo has triple rear camera, 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and other side you will get a dual rear camera, 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. Let's give a look on RAM and storage. Vivo has 3 options in RAM, 6GB, 8GB and 12GB. Other side you will get only one option in RAM, 8GB. And now talk about the storage. Vivo has 2 options in storage, 128GB and 256GB, and other side you will get also 2 options, 128GB and 512GB storage. And Vivo has 12MP front camera, and other side Asus ROG phone has 8 megapixel front camera. And next one, processor and chipset. Vivo iQOO has 2.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 855 chipset, and other side you will get 2.9 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 845 chipset. Let's see some other specification. Vivo iQOO has Android 9 Pie, and other side you will get Android 8.1, and both smartphone has Bluetooth 5 and 4G, and also both smartphone has a dual SIM option. Now talk about the GPU. Vivo iQOO has Adreno 640 and other side you will get Adreno 630. And now talk about the fingerprint sensor. Vivo has fingerprint sensor in the display, but in Asus ROG phone has fingerprint sensor on the back. Now talk about the battery. Vivo iQOO has 4000 non-removable battery with fast battery charging. Other side also you will get a 4000 milliampere non-removable battery with quick charge 4.0. Now talk about the price. Vivo iQOO expected price 32,000 in India rupees and 470 in US dollar, and other side average price is 70,000 in India rupees and 1,000 in US dollar. Thanks friends for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.